Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Task Scheduler in Windows 2025 so that you could automate the maintenance tasks like cleanups, backups, and app launches so that your PC runs smoothly without you lifting a finger. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on this start icon here on your Windows PC or laptop. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Task Scheduler. Once you have found Task Scheduler, you need to click on it, and now you will be landed inside the Task Scheduler option. Over here on the right hand side, you will be able to see the option of Create Basic Task. So you need to click on it and you need to give your task a name. You can give something like weekly disk cleanup, so you can type it something like this. After that, press next in the bottom. Now you can choose when you want it to run, like daily, weekly, bi-weekly, one time, monthly, etc. So let's say I want to do it weekly, so after selecting it, you need to hit next again. Now select the option of start a program, and after that you need to choose the web browser to the application that you want. For example, you can select the option of clean mgr.ext in order to clean the disk. Once you are done, you can click on the option of next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now for that particular task, you will find this run and disable export and properties option. So you can click on the option of run in order to make sure that the task is now working. Once you are done, you can just simply finish it up. If you find any kind of problems doing it, you can also click on the option of delete in order to delete that particular task from here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.